with competence and character. Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. Pilipinong nagsipagtapos, handang mamuno, na may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao is a very powerful one, and it resonates to me deeply. But before I talk about the theme, allow me to share part of my story with you. As a former student, as a friend, as a dialysis patient survivor, and now a post-kidney transplant. Thank God for the gift of a second chance at life through a selfless and loving sister, my kidney donor, Ate Ivy. Sa tinuod lang, I was once like you, nagtuon, nangupya, nakasab-an, nagsibat-sibat sa klase, nagpabadlong, nakakitag-away, nakauyab, o tanan ng mga kabuang sa pagka-estudyante. My former teachers here know me so well. Di yun ko bright na pagka-estudyante. I remember one day in our mathematics class during elementary, Misha, nanawag ang among teacher, kinsay gusto mo answer sa problem sa board. Tanan akong classmates nagpataas sa ilang kamot. Ako, na dili kabalo, nagpasumangil og pangihi, misulod sa CR. Paggawas nako, gihulatan di ay ko nila. Kaya ako gihapon ang ipa-answer. Hay nako. Naay mga adlaw nga ang akong kalaban dili lang ang akong classmates, akong mga amiga o maestra, kundi ang mga kahadlok na mabagsak o mapakyas. But despite all of this, nagpadayon gihapon ko sa pagtuon ug kaluyan sa Ginoo nakalampos in taon. It was also in my high school life when I discovered my potentials, my talents, and my skills. I became a member of the Magdudunang Bukidnon Society by Sir Edsel Quimado and was given the opportunity to travel to different places as a cultural performer. I also became a very active in extracurricular activities, especially in joining sports and different competitions. It helps me so much build my confidence as I walk through life. Ug hangtod niabot ang usa ka punto sa akong kinabuhi nga dili na gyud grado ang akong kalaban, kundi ang ako na gyud mismo ang kinabuhi. It's hard to face our fate. Ang atong kapalaran nga kita gihapon ang hinungdan. As a person who went through dialysis, I experienced pain, exhaustion, fear, pain sa pagtusok sa duha ka dagko nga dagom. Exhaustion, mga katapoy sa pagbalik-balik sa dialysis center 2 to 3 times a week. O mga kahadlok nga basin, wala na yung ugma nga muabot. It's so ironic. Sa una, estudyante pa, ang akong mga kahadlok simple ra kaayo. Mabagsak, makasab-an. Very simple things. Pero karon, for the second chance at life God has given me, my fear now is losing this life na wala ko'y nahimo para sa katawhan sa Ginoo. Nasa huli talaga ang pagsisisi. Students, dili lang enough nga magtuon ta. Mag-amping sadta sa atong panglawas, sa atong tagsa-tagsa na kaugalingon. Eat and live healthy. Walay pulos ang atong natun-an. Nga dili nato mapuslan ang atong gihaguan. Life after school is the real battle. Don't be so hard on yourself. At the moment, samtang natuon pa mo. Sa akong suffering journey, daghan kog mga pangutana. Ngano nga ako. But now I see the purpose. God used my pain, my struggles, my trials, my sufferings to shape me into the person I am today. And to prepare me to truly lead with competence and character. As someone who now serves as the president of the Malaybalay City Chronic Kidney Disease Support Group and serving as a government employee, one thing I realized, the trials I encountered along the way taught me to be a compassionate leader to my fellow suffering soul, especially the chronic kidney disease survivors. To understand deeply the meaning of our theme, Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. Being prepared to lead is not only learned inside the classroom. Dili lang nato ni tanan makuha sa libro o sa grado. It is sometimes learned through struggles, through moments nga hapit na ka mo give up, but you still choose to fight. Busa ayaw mo kabalaka, ayaw mo kabalaka, kay dili kompetisyon ang pag-eskwela, kundi it is a beautiful journey. Competence, yes, this is very vital. Your knowledge, your skills, your achievements, recognitions, what you learned will bring you somewhere. It will help you reach your dreams. But let me remind you that there is greater knowledge than all of this. Father Lito Canoy once said in his homily, the greatest knowledge is the knowledge of knowing God. Because when you know God, it is built in the hardest moments for us to become strong. Ang mga kalisod, mga pagsulay, mga kapakyasan, and seasons of almost quitting in your life will shape you to become the kind of leader the world needs. Junior high school completers, remember that you don't need a title to be a leader. Leadership is not about position, it is about influence. Sa matag higayon nga mubuhat ka og sakto, mutabang sa uban o mubarog sa kamatuoran, you are already leading. The world does not need only intelligent people, but it needs people with a good heart. Be competent, yes, but more than that, be kind, be humble, be strong, and be faithful. Because a true Filipino leader is not only excellence, but compassion. Karon sa inyo ang moving up. Thank your parents, your guardians, your teachers, ug ang mga tao nga nahimong kabahin sa inyong paglampos niini nga milestone sa kinabuhi. Ug dalhan ninyo dili lang ang inyong mga certificates, but more importantly, ang inyong mga storya sa kinabuhi. Because one day, your story will inspire others too. Maningkamot, magpadayon sa pagtuon, mag-ampo. Do your best, and God will do the rest. Ingon si Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, everything is grace. Once again, maayong buntag kanatong tanan, daghang salamat o congratulations.
Yes, in Science, Mrs. Annalie L. Bashir, representative of the school's division superintendent. Jeremy Lindaco Reyes, together with our school principal